Okay, this is the front porch. Just had this porch redone, and this was part of the deal for the house leveling too. And see these front steps, they were all redone too because the house was raised beyond the level of the first step. And see all around here, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's dark out now, but all these outside sidings had to be replaced because they were all torn up when they re-sided the house. Now we're going to go inside now, and I'll show you some of the damage to the walls.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, my children.
You can see here's a section of damaged wall here. Okay, and it's been damaged by the house leveling, and it's got mold. And up there, that's all damaged. And oops, the light on in here. Okay, this is from here. See, this has all got mold damage along here, and it's all broken up here along the window ledge, and then over here that's all broken around the window opening, and up there. Now see, this bathroom was recently remodeled, so it's got a lot of junk in it right now, but the bathroom's pretty solid, but it got damaged too when the house was leveled. Okay, they made a couple cracks in the floor. And then we're moving into the kitchen here. Look, you can see all these kitchen cabinets all need to be replaced, and there's smoke damage and cracks along the wall of the kitchen here. The stove's fairly new. The refrigerator's new. There's not a problem with that. And this, all these cabinets here, all these cabinets have to be torn out and the floor replaced. So you can see we have a big job ahead of us.